Okay, David, I want you to look at the dry erase board up there, and I want you to read those words. Those are words that we learned last week, right?
Okay.
So number one, what's that word?
A word, a babe,
Try it
a
again.
babe, able,
Adorable.
adorable,
What about number two?
under,
Number three.
neighbor,
That's not the whole word. Try it again.
neighborhood,
Yes, and the last word.
and court,
Almost. Try it again.
and courted,
Ooh, that's real close. Say inquired.
inquired,
Say it again.
inquired.
Now, do you remember what the word adorable means?
Yeah.
What?
Adorable means cute,
Ooh. What did we say wonder meant?
thinking,
Ooh. What about neighborhood?
friendly, people that is friendly,
Okay, so it has people that's friendly in it.
neighbors that live right next to your house.
Okay. So those are the things that's in the neighborhood. And what about the word inquired?
Politely, helping,
No, when you inquire about something, what are you doing?
helping.
No.
Wait, politely,
Remember when we said that inquired means to ask?
ask,
Yeah,
politely.
yeah. So we're gonna work with those words today, okay? You ready? So we're going to try to apply these words using a word sort. So we're gonna try it 3 times too, okay? So I have these sentence strips. And you're gonna have the 3 words. What are the 3 words?
Inquire,
Sit up.
inquire, adorable, wonder, neighborhood.
Now, these are your 3 words. Now, we're gonna start off with the first set of sentence strips. There are sentences on each strip of paper, or each strip. Okay? And you have to figure out which word would fit each sentence, okay? And you're gonna take the word, the vocabulary word, and you're gonna put it on top of the strip where it belongs, okay? So let's read the first one.
The
Sit up.
woman began to blank as to fix her fence.
So, which word do you think goes there?
Wonder how she began to wonder how to fix her fence.
Good. Take the word wonder and put it there. Good job. Good. That's good. Yep. Right there. Read the next sentence.
A lot of people live in my neighborhood.
Ooh.
The little baby was adorable.
You gotta finish the sentence
Okay.
though. The little baby, you gotta finish the
I
sentence.
just read it.
You just read to here.
No, I said the baby was adorable. Baby was I just read it for real. I said the baby was.
You
was
just get the
blank.
word little.
But I said the little baby was adorable when she laughed.
And the last one?
Lucy inquired about the pets first for sale.
You see what I want you to do?
Yeah.
So, let's try it with the second strip. So we're gonna line these words back here. You okay? Mm-hmm.
We're gonna do it like 4 times.
2 more times.
That's it. 2 times. That's it. And that's it. David begins to
Ready?
Yeah.
Sit up.
David begins to inquire.
Just read the sentence first and then
David
go back and
begin
choose.
to blank if he chose the correct answer. David began to wonder if he choose the right answer.
The correct answer.
Correct answer.
Okay, let's work on reading what we see, okay?
Yeah. The dog and
Uh-uh.
the boys and girls looked blank as they sang for the school. Neighbors?
Think, what does the word neighborhood mean? What does the word adorable mean? What does the word inquired mean? Go back and read the sentence again. Think about what the sentence is
The
saying.
boys and girls
Looked blank.
as they sang for school. Adorable?
Okay, take your time.
My little brother
Blank.
blank about dinner. My little brother neighbors. Wait, no.
Does that make sense?
My brother inquires about dinner.
Yeah, he inquired about dinner.
We have a big part in the neighborhood.
Okay. Now for this last set, I need you to concentrate and think about what the sentence is saying, okay? Bam. Hold on.
You got one more? One more essay?
Mm-hmm.
These are the last ones? I was beginning to
Blank, read the sentence.
blank if we were going to the movies. I was beginning to wonder if we were going to the movies.
Good.
The blank kittens play with the pink ball. The adorable kitties play with the pink ball. The little girl inquires about the math problem. A new family moved into the blank. The new family moved into the neighborhood.
The who?
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood, you want to say the whole word. So I think you're starting to catch on to inquired. Inquired is one of the words where we couldn't quite get it last week.
Mm-hmm.
So inquired means to what?
Put onto ask
To ask. And inquired starts with what letter?
and
With what letter?
I
With an I.
I
So inquired begins with an I. And the suffix, which means the word at the letters at the end, it ends with a what?
ends with the what?
What letters are at the end?
The ed.
ED. So the actual word is inquire, but in this case, we're using the suffix ed to make it inquired. So inquired means to what?
Inquire means to what? Ask.
Yeah, inquired means to ask. So you think you got inquired?
Yeah.
Okay, let's try something else.
Is that it? We done the first. We going with the third one.
Yep.
We got two more.
Mm-hmm.
Well, oh, we got two more and one more, and that's it.
Mm-hmm.
That's the last one.
Yeah.
This is our last activity.
All right.
These two
So these are called the word in my life activities, okay? So this is where we get to play a little bit more with the vocabulary words, okay? So for each of the 4 words that I introduced to you last week, you're gonna tell me what you learned about the word from me, okay? Or from reading. What did we learn? So in other words, I'm looking for you to tell me what the word what?
Mean.
Yeah. And over here, you're gonna tell me, how does the word adorable relate to you every day? So you're gonna think about things in your everyday life that are adorable to you. And you're gonna draw them here.
I'll draw first.
You can draw first, and then you can tell me what the word means. Go ahead. Remember, draw how adorable relates to you.
Are grades adorable?
Draw your picture, then you're gonna describe it to me, okay?
That's just a baby.
That's it?
Mm.
Don't worry about it. Keep. Okay, now, write down what you learned about the word from me.
Or for about you?
No, when we talked about the word, what did we say it meant? Okay, so talk to me. So, what did we say adorable
Wait,
is?
wait, wait.
Okay. So, what did we say adorable was, according to what you wrote over there?
That it means it's pretty. It's
Mhm.
pretty and cute.
That's pretty and cute.
It's sweet.
Pretty, cute, sweet. Those are all good synonyms for adorable. Now, tell me how the word adorable relates to you in your life. Look at your picture and tell me how it relates to you in your life.
That a baby's cute, it's small, and adorable laughing, and adorable sleeping.
Oh, how do you know that?
Because they small, and it's pretty, and get night and
Well, where have you seen a baby?
on stomach. on my stomach.
On mommy's stomach?
Yeah,
So did mommy have a baby?
yeah.
And what's the baby's name?
Skylar.
And is Skylar a
We got two babies,
Right.
Kobe and Skylar. That's
Okay.
two babies.
And in your house, you have a baby. So who is that?
Kobe.
Oh, that's Kobe. And so it's,
I don't know, draw Skylar.
oh, you didn't draw Skylar?
Yes, I draw Skylar. I can make her like a dog.
No, don't make her like a dog.
I can't do that. It's hard for me to draw a baby.
Okay, so you're telling me that Kobe is what?
A baby.
No, vocabulary word.
Adorable.
Yeah, Kobe is adorable because that's why you put him in the picture, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Good picture. You drew him inside of a house.
Hey, wait. It's just a pipe.
Oh, jeez, okay. Okay, so that one's done. We're gonna put it on a separate piece of paper.
What happened?
They'll clean that off. Let's try it on top of this. You ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Here's another word. What's the word?
Neighbor.
What's the word?
Neighborhood.
Neighborhood. So you draw what a neighborhood looks like in your life, and then you tell me what we talked about, okay?
Okay. Like this.
Nail the marker, weirdo. Okay, now, what did you learn about the word? So tell me about your picture.
Wait. These are the windows.
Mhm. So tell me how the word neighborhood relates to you.
That if you somebody right next to you, that means you have a neighbor. If someone's right next to you, that means you have a neighbor. If someone's between you or right next to you, that means you have both neighbors. That means you have neighborhoods for yourself.
So what makes up a neighborhood?
That you're right next to each other. Where you're right next to each other.
Okay, who's right next to each other?
Neighbors, hoods.
So name some things that you would see or find in a neighborhood.
The woods,
Pardon me?
houses,
Houses, what else?
woods,
Okay, woods,
the forest,
same thing.
gas stations,
Yeah, where do children go?
playground,
Playgrounds,
stores,
stores,
markets,
mm-hmm,
pet shops,
mm-hmm,
movies,
maybe,
books,
bookstores,
library.
libraries, oh, okay. So those are the things that make up a what?
Like neighborhood.
A neighborhood. So what did you get out of our discussion about neighborhood? Tell
Right
me what
next
you
to each-
learned.
That neighbor is that word that you are right next each other.
Right next to each other. So, but in order to have a neighborhood, you must have what?
House.
Okay. But who needs to be there?
A neighbor.
People.
People.
People. You need people to make up a neighborhood. Okay? So why don't you write this down?
This
People,
people.
what else? What else do you need to make up a neighborhood?
That people live
We just listed them over here.
people that
Put them over there.
houses
Yep.
need
Try your best. Write
Houses.
houses. What else?
houses, gas stations. Gas
And where do
station,
children go?
Park. Park.
Mm-hmm.
Store.
Mm-hmm. And where are we?
A library.
Mhm.
Where? The library.
Okay. Anything else?
Movies.
Yeah.
Movies.
Okay. All right, we're done with that card. Let's try another one.
How many do you got?
Just two more, we only had 4 words.
Okay, this is quick. No, one, that means you try to think. Oh. Let's pretend it's today.
All right, explain what you learned about the word.
That is something that you don't even know the answer.
So you're what?
Can think.
Yeah, you want to write the word think over there too? Yep. Now, tell me how that relates in your life.
Relates because some people can be smart and some can't. And that makes you try to figure out the answer and you can figure out
But you drew a school, so what does that mean?
that you're trying to figure out.
Who? Remember, it has to relate to you.
You're trying to figure out.
Have you ever had a situation where you had to wonder?
Yeah.
When?
Math test.
Oh, a math test. And so why does a math test make you do a lot of wondering?
So you could think hard. So you could think harder. So you could think harder.
Yeah, because you're trying to find the what?
Answer.
Yeah, you're trying to find the answer to a math problem. So you wonder a lot in school, correct?
Yeah.
Ready for the last one?
Yes. This is our last one.
Last vocabulary word.
Okay.
Come on.
It
Sorry.
is 12:59. It's about to go. It's going to be 9 o'clock
It's gonna be
soon.
1 o'clock.
It's going to be 1 o'clock. We gotta hurry up. 1 o'clock's about to be coming.
All right, so what's the word?
Inquire. Inquire me.
Means to what? Okay, so when do you inquire in your life? Okay, so what did you learn about the word inquire?
That you could tell somebody, you can ask someone or tell someone. Tell someone.
Well, asking and telling, or just ask?
Asks.
Yeah.
Ask and telling. Because ask is like, it's telling, so it's like telling. Telling is like you telling somebody.
Right, but if you're telling someone, are you asking?
Acting? Yeah.
No, when you ask, you're actually asking a question, right? Or you want to know the answer. So if you're telling someone, then it means you already know the answer, right?
Right.
Okay. Now, when do you inquire in your life?
Okay, you know what?
Tell me about your picture.
That he trying to ask them to get us free.
Now, related to you, because it's supposed to be about you.
Oh, this is about, huh?
It's supposed to be about you. So how does this picture relate to you?
that he
Who is he?
he
Who is he?
she
Who? Who? It's
a
supposed to be
kid.
about you.
I'll get it.
Okay. I said, how does the word relate in your life? So when do you inquire?
That to ask somebody who
Yeah,
is-
when do you have to inquire about something?
something that you ask yourself so you can relate yourself and
Have you ever had to inquire about where you're going?
I don't know.
What does the word inquire mean?
Ask.
Have you ever had to inquire at home about where you're going?
No.
Really? So you never asked your mommy and daddy about where you're going?
Yeah.
So don't you inquire at home?
Sometimes.
Yeah. And I said, draw a picture that shows when you inquire at home. Right?
Yeah.
So if I'm looking at this picture, there are two people in this picture. So that could be you, and you're asking who?
Dad.
Yeah, you could be asking Dad. What things do you ask your dad?
Phone. Tablet. Video games.
You ask him about those things?
Yeah. And going to their house.
I'm going up to Derek's house. Okay, who's Derek?
Uncle. They sell them.
Your who?
No, the one that the brown one, the brown one. Is it the brown kid thing?
Yeah.
That's
Who
my uncle.
is he to you?
Derek.
Oh, he's your Uncle Derek.
Yeah.
Okay.
But he's my cousin. That's separate.
Okay. All right. We're gonna get ready to start our last activity. Okay?
Okay. Okay. Yes. Oh yeah. The last activity. I like this activity.